project, we are going to use a $1 wooden frame that you can get from Michael's, Walmart, Dollar Tree, any of your craft stores, some burlap ribbon, a wooden egg embellishment, some moss, and then I have some barnwood scrapbook paper that is going to work perfectly for this project. To start the project, we're going to trace our frame onto the scrapbook paper and cut it out. Next up, take some Mod Podge and put a good layer on, not doing too much because you don't want bubbles, and adhering it to the frame. And then I just took some sandpaper and sanded down the edges so there was no overhang and it left a good distressed look on it. Then you're going to take your burlap ribbon and cut it to where it fits in the opening at the back of the picture frame. You can adhere this with hot glue. Next up, take your wooden Easter egg or any embellishment that you have and put a good layer of hot glue on it, and then start layering your moss in. This may take a couple different steps to get the complete coverage that you want, and once you are comfortable with that, you can trim the edges with just some scissors and then clean up all the moss. Next, we're going to take some ribbon and embellish our egg, and I opted for just a white ribbon. I tied it around the egg and then tied it in a cute little bow and trim the edges. And then you're just going to take some hot glue and adhere it to the front of the picture frame onto the burlap. This makes a great project for any tiered tray you have.